Welcome to Shanghai Overseas. Today we would like to take you a tour to our factories. Let's go! Now it is one of our hard case factory. Let's take a look at the component warehouse first. The warehouse QC staffs are inspecting every package once it arrives. They record the qualified components, then sort them on the shelves. This is very important to make sure the production to go on smoothly. Now let's go to the workshop. This is where to start. This is the raw material. After going through several high heat cylinders, extruder, and sheeting machine, we get the sheets now. They are inspecting. The next step, blow molding. Automatic punching machine. The shells are punched precisely. Again, the QC staffs are checking, and only the qualified ones will go to the assemble lines. This is the assemble procedure. Lining, screwing, piping, and seaming. Eventually, we have the final products. The factory QC staffs are doing the final inspections. Now we are in the test cabinet. We show the test facilities. Dropping test, jerk test, wheel durable test, cylinder test. Our own QC staffs do physical tests 3 times for each order. Samples are picked up randomly from different stages. Now let's go to our soft luggage factory. This is the cutting room. Workers are inspecting and measuring the fabric. Let's go to the stitching room. This is the assemble process. Riveting. The final inspections. The warehouse for final products are well organized. You are welcome to visit Shanghai Overseas and our factories.